Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be building a 2001 Asus gaming PC.
2009.
2009, same thing, same difference. Out of just some random stuff. We got an MSI motherboard, graphics card, I'm sorry, an Asus motherboard, a Dell power supply over here.
And then 4 gigabytes of Redemption RAM.
We got whatever this thing is. A CD drive, disk drive. It's a disk drive.
A 160 gigabyte, 7200 RPM Western Digital hard drive.
Yes. All right, let's get into building this ancient computer and see if it boots.
All right, well...
We also have a case over here on the floor. You can't see it, so it's fine.
Oh, the processor's an Intel Core 2 Extreme.
Yes, we don't feel like taking this off because...
Those coolers suck. Just straight up, those coolers suck. Just straight up. Would you like to put in the first RAM stick?
Yes, I would. So, when you put this in, you have to, push it down hard. It's going to feel like you're breaking it, but you're not.
You might be breaking it. Did you put... Is it in the right way? Oh, no, it's in the right way.
See?
I'm going to stand up for this.
Because he's short.
You really gotta... Not because I'm short, because you really have to put some force into these.
Yeah, cool. Because you're skinny in your...
That was harder for you than it was for me.
I'm sitting down. I was like this, trying to explain about it.
Oh, we have another standoff.
Oh, you mother flipper.
Wait, we have to remove a standoff from the motherboard. Okay.
Alright, we got it out.
We're back.
Okay, so...
What do you want to do next? Well, now it's case time.
Yes, it's case.
Let me get the case up on the bench.
Usually there's a lot more stuff you have to... Not a lot, but a couple more things you have to do with the motherboard. You have to put the CPU in, put the thermal paste on, and then the cooler, and then you can put it into the case. But we don't have thermal paste right now, so we're just not going to do it.
Okay. Here's our case.
It's a Lenovo.
It's an old Lenovo case. Gonna have to ditch the chairs.
Yeah, ditch the chairs. We don't need those anymore.
So, yep, that's our power cables, front audio. Oh boy, I think that's our front. IO.
Oh.
And yep. All right, we're good.
Alrighty.
So,
Motherboard.
No, we gotta put in standoffs in the case.
Oh, there's already a standoff right here though.
It's missing a few. Wait a minute. I have my hidden bag of standoffs. Nope, never mind. They're built in.
I was going to say, there's like some cup right here.
But our problem is that bottom one.
Oh.
Look on the motherboard.
Oh, flip.
Stand by. All right, we're back.
We got the standoff off.
Standoff out.
Yeah, stand out. I had to think.
You want to install the IO shield, or you want me to?
Shit, it's just throwing it in. So should we just?
That goes up.
It goes like that.
Yeah. Other way.
Oh, what the fuck?
Does it not fit in this case?
It's going in.
Oh, you really got it.
Oh, there it goes.
You really got it.
You have it.
No, it doesn't fit in this case. Just get it. No IO shield. Screw it.
My personal computer doesn't have one.
Hate on me for it. Your computer does.
It does?
It does.
Oh. Is this such a small motherboard?
It is. It's... Oh, boy. Is this case not compatible? I think it is. I think it's compatible.
Better be... Yeah, it's compatible.
There we go. Alright, I got it.
Screws.
Screws, right here.
For the...
No, there's more. We've got the fine screws like that. That is the wrong screwdriver.
It's still right here.
Oh, yes, right where I put it.
Yeah, on the other desk.
I'll put the screws in. Very simple.
Very simple. Remember, this is what, like an 09 build, so you don't... I highly doubt you have to do this with any newer computers. Newer computers don't look anything like this.
Newer computers probably clip together.
Exactly.
With plastic clips that are bound to break within the next 10 years. Which is just great.
Yeah.
You always want breaking clips inside of your PC.
Yeah, that's just the fun part, you know?
Yeah, it's totally the fun part.
It's the fun part.
That standoff is not coming out with that screw again. But next is our power supply.
Yes.
I'll rotate it. This is a Dell 275 watt power supply. Plenty good for this build.
Let me see this. Put it in like that.
That's that.
Alright.
Why do I... Wait, did I get it right? I got it right.
Alright. Screwdriver, please.
Oh wait, I forgot this case is really finicky with power supplies. No, I did put it in the wrong way.
Well,
Ow, it cut me.
of course it cut you, because you're abusing it. There it goes. Gotta screw in the power supply. Because if you don't screw in the power supply, it's gonna move around, and you don't like that because it will. I don't know what it'll do. I haven't messed up that bad before.
It will break your computer.
There. Yeah, I guess he's done it before. Have you forgot to screw in your power supply?
Many times.
How? It's the power supply.
Many times.
How?
I'm getting ready to install the GPU.
Okay.
And great, I actually did not need to remove that.
Yes, it's not going in.
Is it not? I just started it on. There's one more screw for the...
Power supply.
Well, I have one more screw left over for the motherboard, so I'll put it in the motherboard real quick.
Probably.
I give up. Never mind. I'm not doing what I said I was gonna do. I'm a liar.
He lied. Almost do.
Alright, is it in?
Yeah, it's in.
Nice. Next, would be our graphics card.
We have an MSI something something something.
MSI GT710. I'm pretty sure this is the 2 gigabyte version. Perfectly fine for a Windows 7 machine of this era.
Terrible for Windows 11.
Yeah.
But we're gonna be putting Windows 11 on it.
We're not putting Windows 11 on it. Don't even have that idea.
Why not?
We won't even get past the install screen, and you know that for a fact.
But you've put Windows 11 on a bunch of other stuff, though.
No, I haven't. It's Windows 10.
Oh, Windows 10. Okay.
But we're putting Windows 7 on this one because I don't trust it with any good operating system. Okay.
Now it's time to start plugging stuff in.
1 second. Okay, we are back. I had to go grab the caddy for this case. For the hard drive next, we will install the hard drive. Which shouldn't be too difficult. It has to go this way. Believe it or not, for about a year, my server was in this case. My first server. If you guys would like a video on my server, I can do that.
Oh, yeah. W.
I can do a whole server rack video. I just have to have the views to satisfy it.
Exactly.
You can start plugging stuff in if you'd like.
Okay.
I really hope that reaches.
It reaches.
Does it just?
No, it reaches perfectly fine.
I have to grab two SATA cables. I forgot about that. One SATA cable.
Right here.
And
Ow.
2 SATA
Oh,
cables.
come on. Really?
Really?
Bro.
Oh, wait. Is it very close?
Oh, wait, hold on.
Wait, yeah. Are we about to...
Okay, there it goes. Maybe. Possibly. Come on.
Really pull on it. Just really yank on
Move
it.
your arms so I can see what I'm doing.
It's so close. Oh, you got it. No way.
By just barely, I got it. It looks like there's a little bit like movement. No, that's as tight as I can get it.
Yeah. If that was a guitar string, it would make noise. I'll plug in the hard drive. And then let's install the CD drive. Rotate it around and pop the front off because PCs are unnecessary like that. And then I have the screw thing. Bro, it's not that hard.
Oh, I was putting it in. There's screws in it. Oh my god.
It's got the good old Dell standard screws in it.
That's why I couldn't get it. There's screws in it.
Yeah, they're tighter than you thought, huh?
Shut up.
Alright, well.
Look at you dropping stuff.
Alright, wherever the screws decide to pop up at,
Right here.
which is not when that's supposed to be out there. What is up with this thing, bro? It's not the other one. I'm about to just send it, you know?
Just send it.
Oh,
Oh shit.
there we go.
My head keeps hitting this camera.
It's fine. Here's that one. Good job, you broke it. Oh, did I move the whole CD drive?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, CD drive is in. Now I'm going to hook up the CD drive SATA cable. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, CD drive SATA cable installed. We forgot the front I/O, just so you know.
It doesn't matter.
How are we going to turn it on then?
Oh.
Okay, what is front I/O? I think it's this.
Well, that's kind of cooked, isn't it?
That will just reach.
Just reach.
This kind of hurts because I'm like cutting my hand on the GPU.
If you have the idea of taking the GPU out,
Oh, at least 10.
waste time. We are not time efficient, bro. Have you not seen how we clean each other's rooms?
There we go. Now it's nice and in there. Gotta plug that cable in, say the power.
You never clean my room. I've cleaned your room like what, twice?
Yeah, whatever.
You've never cleaned mine.
To be fair, I've never came over to your house.
And you have. I have a video of you playing on my Oculus.
Or that wasn't for long. I was there.
For like
I was
20
there,
minutes.
I was there for the Ethernet cable.
Yeah, for the Ethernet cable.
Okay, where is my SATA cable?
My room was also kind of clean then.
Yeah, it still is, I bet.
Yeah, it still is.
You keep your room clean.
Yeah, you don't.
Yep.
Well, I try to keep it clean at least.
Alright, hard drive is installed. Should we install a back fan?
A back fan. Sure, I guess.
Let me grab one. Cheapo from 1903.
Oh, yes. There is 25-year-old dust on that.
There is 2000. That is actual 25-year-old dust. There is legit 25-year-old dust on this fan. That is insane to me.
That's actually kind of crazy.
25-year-old dust.
Watch out, kids! Don't touch the dust. It's 25 years old. It might become crippled.
It might have asbestos. You don't know.
You don't know, kids. Don't touch it.
Get in there. Don't you have the second screw?
No, you never gave me a screw. I was plugging the fan in.
Oh. Yeah, so you are making yourself useful.
Shut up. Imagine if we use this from a PS3 in this.
There's no spot we can use it at. Alright, so we have everything installed correctly.
Yes.
Just put the front back on, close up the side panel, and this build would be finished. Oh, it's heavy now.
It's not that heavy.
It's heavy for a PC.
It's maybe a little heavier than mine. Mine has a 1660.
Maybe we'll build a build one day that has a 1060.
Ooh, sell that maybe for some money.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
You should have said Nick.
Part 2 will be tomorrow.